Hey everyone, welcome to Awesome Canadian Homes. I'm your host, James, and today we're in Oakville, the beautiful place of Oakville. This is where all the wealthy live, in Ontario. This is one of the best places to be, and look at this, a prize. Princess Margaret Home Lottery Fall 2023. We're outside the front door. I mean, guys, this is literally where luxury meets a level of opulence that even Drake or Celine Dion would raise their eyebrows at. Right? This is $8.3 million. It's like over 7,000 square feet of brick and stone show home in the scenic wonderland of Oakville. It isn't just a home, it's a declaration of war against mediocrity. It's even got updated grass. The Twitter grass now is X. So you're up to date. All the upgrades have been done for you. This is an amazing house. You're going to love it. So get your ticket and subscribe to here, Awesome Canadian Homes. Please subscribe. And you get a ticket at Princess Margaret Home Lottery. I think it's going to be worth it for you this time. Wow. It's pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. We swing open the door. And look at this, guys. It's like we accidentally walked into Hollywood, like a Hollywood set, right? It's so pristine, so clean. There's no kids' toys anywhere. There's no poo from your dog. It's just pure Hollywood in here, man. Like, I can't believe it. I mean, the front door isn't impressing me. You got this mansion and this skinny little door entrance. Like, that's weird. I mean, condo is like a condo entrance inside a mansion. Maybe it is a Hollywood set. I don't know, right? But anyway, look at this, guys. It's like we're every day. They should put a red carpet there because every day is going to be like walking into a red carpet event here. It's just splendid. Like, look around. What? This is madness. I don't know why there's such a big space and a tiny table over there, though. I mean, that's a little strange. But let's take a look around. This is an architectural masterpiece. This is where elegance and contemporary chic mingle. This is the lounge room here. It's like, I don't know, it's kind of like the love child of Shakespeare and Elon Musk. It's just, you got this calming kind of green palette wraps around you like a cashmere blanket, guys, while rich neutral whisper sweet nothings in your ear. Sweet nothings. Every room is not just a space, it's a warm embrace. That's like I just dropped a new Drake song for you. So just relax in the glory of wealth, because if you win this place, that's where you'll be. You'll be there. And guys, like, you don't even have to worry if you have like a lot of in-laws or anything. You'll never see them because you got like 52 different seating areas. I mean, literally, there's so many seating areas in this house. It's kind of ridiculous. But there you have it. I mean, look at this. You could even like probably rent it out for like some porn company because there's just so many couches, so many chairs, so many rooms. We're going to go see a pool in a minute. I mean, it's just craziness. But now let's talk about this two-story courtroom-inspired dining room. Like, don't leave that little circle damn table there, guys. This deserves, like, you're going to want medieval feasts here. You don't want that little table. You want something, like, huge, made out of friggin', like, timbers, like in metal, and you want to eat with axes. This is big place. Don't leave that little thing there with these little random trees everywhere and the little bushes. Like, I don't get that. It's not a living room. It's a coliseum. Okay, this is where like food battles are fought and won. So yeah, don't keep that little table there. Please, whatever you do, make it a medieval, like, it's where medieval times should be like recorded. Put a horse in there if you need to. Here's another lounge, so another area to sit. I mean, because you just got tired from walking from the other place you just relaxed in. Now you come in here because you took 12 steps and now you need to rest. But let's go into the kitchen, guys. It looks pretty nice. Not going to lie, there's a window out to a hallway If you've seen me on these videos, you know I'm not a big fan of looking out a window into a hallway and then another window looking out. It's weird. I don't get it. So anyway, but this is beautiful. Lots of real windows looking out to real scenery outside. I like that. That makes sense to me. And I like all the uses of colors here. I mean, not colors, but black and white, silver, chrome, stainless steel, like gold kind of things, and greenery. So black, white, I think I said that, marble, it's woods and stuff like that, glass, cold, hot, things like that. It's pretty cool. I like it. The kitchen to me is really nice. I mean, Gordon Ramsay approved. You could bring him in maybe because you get some money with this house and you can hire him for an hour and just kind of yell at him. Oh, sorry, that's Gordon Ramsay right now trying to reach me. But yeah, so just enjoy that kitchen, guys. It's pretty wild. And here you can watch TV too. There's 1,000 different places to watch TV, so you don't have to. You can just don't put the Blue Jay game on because they lost, and you probably shouldn't watch them ever again in your life. Let's just be honest. Out here, this is your backyard oasis, professionally decorated, guys. This is a dreamland. You know how Michael Jackson had one? Well, you might not put monkeys out here, but it's your dreamland. Make it what you want, Even the furniture, like outside here, it looks in the mirror and thinks, damn, I'm living the best life. Like your lawn furniture is looking in the mirror and can't believe it. So you'll be doing the same. You'll be looking in the mirror at that front door that we saw earlier and just be in awe of your new life. Now, there's not a lot of privacy out here. I'm looking around and I see that chain link fence type of thing. I would rather a nice, like 18-foot kind of like wood fence, right? That blocks almost the sun, right? Because I don't want these people looking right at me when I want to take a little scoop in the pool without my underwear on, right? Maybe you want to be topless if you're a female. You just want to swim topless and just feel like the mermaid or something. But you can't because you got this other big house in your backyard. Basically, they don't even need binoculars. They're just right there. So yeah, that's kind of weird. I don't like that. But again, this is a great house. Get your tickets. Live your best life right here in Oakville. I know it's around, I think this is like a dead end. You're on a dead end street, but not a dead end in life anymore because you're wealthy. So your dead end ends here, basically, which is, I know it's kind of like, I'm getting too, what do you call it? I can't remember. I'm tired. I'm a little, maybe too much caffeine right now. But the point is, you're around the block from Lake Ontario. So the dead end street, so you only have people playing hockey or hacky sack or street stuff, basketball, something like that at the end of your road. But don't worry about that. You're around the block again. You can walk to Lake Ontario, take a trail down to Old Oakville perhaps, and just this is really cool. It's really nice, unless you get a whiff of the Lake Ontario kind of sewage smell. But other than that, it's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. All right, I think we've seen enough of this kitchen. Gordon Ramsay's going to be there in a few minutes. That's fine. Let's go around the corner and see what we're dealing with. So this is probably the real door you'll be using all the time. Again, that window, right? What do you guys think about that? Leave a comment maybe. But it's weird for me to have you come inside from your kind of like park your car, you come inside and then you're dealing with like that window right there on the left, right? So you walk in, park your car. If you don't use the garage, just because you need to, you just need to come in right away. You just park. You come in that door, and you're greeted by that weird window at the kitchen. But there's lots of space here. Looks like you can leave your coats and all that. So that would be the door to come in, your garage kind of door. Yeah. So what do you guys think? Please leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I mean, it helps me a lot. It kind of like gives me the encouragement to do more terrible videos. Now I hope you enjoy them. I enjoy making them and just talking about the whole place here. Let's go up. No elevator. Sorry, not sorry. Look at the more chairs and more places to hang out. This is like at the top of a Loblaws. They have the place where the employees eat. This is like so your whole like so you can have employees and have them go up there and have a little snack before you put them back to work. Maybe your pool boy, but say, hey man, come upstairs. You can sit in alone facing the wall and have a granola bar before you get back to work, type of thing. All right, I think we're heading towards bedrooms. Let me just take a look at my notes over here to see how many bedrooms we're dealing with. I'm loving it. Do I know how many bedrooms? Yes, I do. 5 bedrooms, guys. So this home has 5 bedrooms. And 4.5 bathrooms. So you got lots of places to go to the washer room. This looks pretty nice, pretty nice. I mean, Celine Dion wouldn't shower here. It's too small, even though she's frail and everything. But, with the extra money, let me see how much money you get here. Because I know you get $500,000 in cash. So you can get one of those cold plunges one of those cold plunges for outside. Joe Rogan uses, and he's always talking about those damn things. So maybe get one of those. It also comes with a 2023 BMW i4 M50 xDrive. It's a lot of letters and words, but it basically means it comes with a car. And that's always nice. This bedroom's pretty cool. Lots of windows, lots of pillows. I mean, every time you go to a hotel, always call down to the front desk and ask for more pillows. I mean, you can find them. It's like an Easter egg hunt. You can go around. You can probably find one in a drawer or two. But they love it when you call down every hour and just ask for a pillow. I've done that before. It's pretty cool. I remember in Markham, I went to a hotel in Markham, Ontario. And I asked them for an ocean view. And they're like, what? There's not even like a pond around here. So, but it's fun, right? It's just fun to kind of get them like thinking, laughing. So, ask when you're in a hotel, they don't have an ocean around, just ask for the ocean view. And ask for pillows every hour. Pillows are great, so it's not like you're not going to use them anyway. So let's keep going. We're going down the hall, and we're going to go into the principal bedroom. This is beautiful. I like the wallpaper treatment. I like how it's all beigey and kind of boring, but I kind of like that idea. That's what wealthy love. They like boring. They like just neutral tones. They don't like anything anywhere. They like models in their picture frames. It's not really their family because their family's in another house. Ooh, what the hell? Guys, this place is haunted. This is in Oakville, so that could be like a First Nation spirit. Wow, that literally scared me. I'm like, I didn't expect some like spirit person to be in this. I don't know if I want to. Do you want this place now that there's this guy is definitely a spirit from the native land of the Mississaugas. Look at that. Boom, gone, just like he came, just as quick as he showed up. Ooh, that was spooky. Sorry about that, guys. Let's continue. A little makeup, powder, place to get pretty. Nice bathtub, actually. I like that in front of the nice. Guess you can't call them bathtubs anymore. I don't know the new things. But look at this. You got your water closet. Look at the shower. It's nice. You got some frosted glass on the toilet area. It's nice, right? Walk-in closet. I like these because you don't see anything. They're all hidden. Again, wealthy people don't like to see anything around. You got the model again in the picture frame. This is perfect. Don't change anything, guys. Don't leave anything on the floor. Don't put anything on your nightstand, even your phone. don't even do that. Tuck it under, like, put it in a drawer or something. No cables, no wires either. Those aren't allowed. You don't want to see a wire, a cable. Those are disgusting. Only poor people see those things. And now you're rich. You don't want to see a damn cable anywhere in the house. Nothing. And all your light bulbs have to work. They all have to be on at all times, 24 hours a day. That's why you get one of those night things around your eyes, right? A little, it's not just for kinky purposes. It's because the wealthy people keep their lights on 24 hours a day, even in the bedroom. So you need those kind of things. Let's go downstairs. Boom, we're downstairs. Nice finished basement. Again, you got this lot of drawers. See, nothing anywhere except in the drawers, and some things you don't even use that go on top of them. That's the wealthy way. And here we go. We're inside a gym, guys. Cancel your membership that you never use at Good Life or whatever those things are called. Now go for what are they called? For fitness, go for fitness, something like that. 24 hours. But look, you got your own place here. You'll probably never use, but it looks good, right? When you invite people over, they're like, oh, wow, you got a nice place to work out, man. You look good. Meanwhile, you haven't done anything, right? So, but they think you're looking better because you got the spot. Now, here's a spa. This is probably what you'll end up using or want to hire someone with your extra money. You'll lie down here, get a masseuse in there, do the magic, right? And if you're really low on funds, maybe you can turn this into a massage kind of, special massage place. There's a tub there. It's nice. I don't know. It's a little weird with all the curtains, but I get it. I guess privacy and stuff. Curtains everywhere. Steam shower. It's just a steam shower. I'm not even sure, right? But you got the spa down here, and around and mirrors and just bliss, right? And again, oh, this is cool. So you got a pool table down here. I haven't seen one of those in a show home for a while. I thought they're kind of getting out of that, but I like it. I like when I'm seeing those. I like that a lot. Again, more places to sit. Right? I'm tired. Now I want to watch a movie in this big screen. I like how it kind of like you have stairs going down. I like that. Stairs going up to the pool table. I like that actually. And the pool table's cool. I like this. Bar. Like people don't drink anymore. But here you have a craft room. I guess you could do a craft room and / laundry room here. So if you want to make I love you bracelets or like cure cancer bracelets, you can make them in here, sell them on Etsy or something like that. And yeah, it's a nice basement. Not gonna lie. And I think there's a bedroom down here. So let's take So and a toilet. So there's a washroom on this side. You actually like this one a lot. This one's nice. I'd probably go down here and use that shower. It's just more cozy, right? Use some Dove soap or whatever. Keep nice and clean. Oh, that's interesting. I like that. It's built like a kind of like you're in a cave. You have this little computer cave. I like that. All right. Anyways, guys, I'm getting a little tired. I think we did everything. So thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Please subscribe, hit like, make a comment, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Have a good one.